Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I'm so happy to have you. Today we're doing a wig unboxing and try on from Luvme Hair. I have the package right here. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alright, so here is the box and I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that comes inside. Here's what the packaging looks like. And inside the box we have the wig, of course. And we'll get into the details of this wig in just a moment. They also included a mesh storage bag to help store your wigs in. There is a box label card in case you decide to store your wigs inside the box. There's also a set of Velcro strips to help your wig more secure. They also included this custom logo beauty sponge. There's also this custom hair clip, a set of HD wig caps, and this thank you note with the user guide and info card. Alright, now let's get into the wig. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. Now this wig does come with a standard glueless cap construction. There are two combs in the front. There is one comb in the back. It also comes with a detachable adjusting elastic band with the silicone grip. This cap is made with somewhat of a flexible cap. It's pretty stretchy. It also comes with this breathable lining, which makes it perfect for the summer. So if you sweat a lot or you get hot a lot, at least you know your scalp will be able to breathe. And this wig comes with a 5x5 HD lace closure, and this closure comes everything that's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-parted. I mean, look at that lace. That looks amazing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig on so you can see how it looks straight out of the box. 9 times out of 10, regardless of how good the wig is, I do have to tint the lace because I am of a darker complexion. So I know that I am going to go ahead and tint the lace, but I do want to show you what it looks like straight out of the box. Wow, I love these curls. This is so cute already. Let me show you up close what the lace looks like with no manipulation. Alright, so that is pretty much what this wig looks like straight out of the box. Cute, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and take it off so I can tint the lace. Alright, to tint the lace on this unit, I'm going to be going in with my favorite lace tint spray from Kiss. And this lace tint spray is in the shade dark brown. This is my all-time favorite. You can get it on Amazon. I love it because it is quick drying like it says here, and it's peach scented, so it smells amazing. Okay, so now that the lace tint is dry, I'm going to go ahead and put it back on. The lace on this unit is absolutely amazing. All right, let me show you what this wig looks like from the back. Now this wig does come with a 5x5 lace closure, and it does come pre-parted down the middle, but you can part it on either side. I definitely feel like this is one of those wigs that pretty much speak for themselves, but you're here to get the review and get the unboxing, so let me share with you my personal opinion of this wig. First of all, I'm in love. I love it. This is an amazing throw it on and go, straight out of the box, ready to wear wig. I'm not sure if it's the airy fit cap, but the cap construction on this wig is super comfortable. It feels like it is molded to my head, and I can definitely feel like my scalp and my hair underneath breathing. It's not overly hot like most wig caps are. There's definitely a lot of room for my hair to breathe, and I love that. I also love that they kept the combs in the wig. I know a lot of companies are making newer wigs without the combs because for some women it may be uncomfortable and it may also cause hair loss, but for me personally, I always use all of the combs. They always make my wigs feel extra secure, so I love that they kept the original design with all 3 combs. And the hair on this unit is so freaking soft and fluffy, and the curls are so juicy. I love a juicy curl. I also love that the curls are not overly flat. Like, you know how some curly units be having that really straight, like really stiff curl? This wig definitely does not have that. It has volume, it has body, and it's still luscious and soft. Like, look at it flow while I talk. Love that. The lace on this unit is absolutely immaculate. It's almost completely unclockable. Like, they did an amazing job with the lace. I also love the style of this unit. The fact that it's sort of this bob length makes it very manageable for people who don't necessarily like to put a lot of effort or energy into doing their hair. Because it's this length, it's less likely to get tangled and get knotted like longer units. And it also has this like really chic and mature sort of vibe to it, and I love that. And if you're interested in trying this wig out for yourself to see what it looks like on you, I will have the direct link to this wig down below in the description box. We also have our very own personal coupon code with Luvme Hair. I'll put it right up here on the screen. If you decide to make any purchases with Luvme Hair, you can use this coupon code to save 28% off of your entire order. So even if this wig is not for you, it's not your style, it's not your cup of tea, Luvme Hair still has some amazing glueless and affordable wig options. I do have a playlist over on my channel that you can check out with some of my wig favorites from Luvme Hair. This to me is definitely a 5-star wig. I love everything about this wig. It is so amazing, so beautiful, so soft and comfortable. It's everything that you would want in a beginner-friendly wig. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it all the way through to the end. And if you love this type of content, you love checking out new wigs, seeing what's out there, you love everything about beauty, hair, and makeup, definitely make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can see more content like this. I have a lot of new and amazing content coming out, so make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my new content, and I will see you in the next video.